start of the third quarter, CPU Golden Lions versus WIT Tangerines. Nakuha ni si Chon ng bola. Pinasa kay Pantin, back to si Chon. To Pindon, back to si Chon again. It's a three-way passing ball spree. Naagaw ni Juaneza. To Barangco. Maverick Puerto. Block. Loose ball. Turnover. Tutoy din yun na. Then si Puerto. To Barangco. Puerto for 3. Short. Nakuha ni Denihay. Nabitawan. Villena pinasa kay Pantin. Back to Villena. Tichon. Recover ni Villena to Pantin. Wala. Tichon again. Villena jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Puerto. No good. Muntik na. Sayang ang pasa. Si Chon to Villena. Steal by Barangco to Puerto. Julian Puerto to JJ. Denihay to Barangco. Hiroche for 3. Short. Same ball. Puerto. Barangco back to Puerto for 3. No good. Pantin for the rebound. Pantin. Basket by Alejandro. 31-32. That's the first basket of the quarter. Barangco to Juaneza. Basket by Denihay for 3. 35-31. Si Chon. Ali hoop. No good. Barangco. Pinasa kay Denihay. Another 3. No good. Nakuha ni Denihay to Hiroche. That's out of bounds. Turnover. Si Chon to Villena. Pantin, Futalan. Villena for 3. Short. Villena. Pass to Sichon. From down under. Basket by Alejandro. 33-35. It's a 2-point difference. Leaded by the Golden Lions. Barangco. Nasa kay Puerto. Long pass. Pinapasa ang bola. Tinira. Short. That's a turnover. Villena to Sichon for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Hiroche. Maverick Puerto. Pinasa kay Vanessa. No good. For 3. Short. Rebound by CPU Puerto to Vanessa. Ferrero to Juaneza. Short. Naagaw. Deliena. Pantin. No good. Covered by Putalan to Sichon. Pantin for 3. No good. Na-recover ni Heroche to Puerto. JJ for 3. JJ Heroche. 38-33. Yan, nabuhayan ang Golden Lions. Deliena to Pantin. Pantin, long 3. Short. Recovered by Puerto. Puerto drives. Tinira. There's a foul. First throw is good. Last throw. 2 for 2 by Julian Puerto. 40-33. 7-point lead by the Golden Lions. Now. 3 points by Alejandro. 36-39. JJ, no good. Agaw ni Deliena. RJ drives. There's a foul. Last throw. No good. Wala. Puerto to Heroche. Heroche for 3. Basket by Heroche. 42-36. 6 ang kalamangan ng CPU. Pendon to Deliena. Deliena fires a 3. Short. Recovered by Puerto. Tira ni Pendon. 42-38. JJ short. Rebound by Alejandro to Manrique. Deliena. Deliena. Alejandro, no good. Soliano na agaw for 3, blocked by Monfort. Still recover ni De La Cruz. May foul si Monfort. Nice D by Monfort. Si Chon, a 3-pointer to Pendon. Pantin, 3 by Pantin. 41-42. Balik sa isang kalamangan ng CPU. Soliano to Monfort. 3 points by Timoy Monfort. 45-41. Pendon to Sichon. Fires. No good. Pendon. Jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Ferrer. 35 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Puerto to Monfort. Another 3. No good. Recovered by Timoy. Nakuha ni Puerto. Ferrer. No good. That's out of bounds. 18 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Diliena, RJ drives to De La Cruz. Pantin for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Vanessa. 4 seconds remaining for 3. Short. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 45-41. 4-point lead by the Golden Lions.